over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends.
Welcome to Mavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by Umnigen Wagamdunga.
Bhuti Sithibo. Uthabo.
Kuhamba kanjani bo?
Hayi mngani wami, ukuthi angisho ngesisuthu lento.
Earring.
No ngithabile kanjeno.
Uthabile.
Yeah. The way league itsamaya ngading.
Etsamaya pila.
Ka Sekgowa it's gonna go down to the wire.
Yeah. VAR.
The goal tsena tsa Pirates ba re a di bereke.
Sure.
Ba tlo bona league a ifela gore di bereke. Goal difference.
Very important.
Abayibe ka phoso mo league.
Yeah.
Ya ba be ya loke mola maghoa le batho ba tsebang ngwala di computer.
Yes.
Ba ibhala ba re goal difference.
Ayihlubisanga baba.
Yakuye ukudlala goal difference. Manje abantu bayithatha ngenhliziyo bathi hayi ibalekile lento ibe goal difference ibalekile kodwa
very important man.
Umdlalo namhlanje uqale wabhora. Wazofika ku 20 minutes. Mazithi 20 minutes. Waqala uAlende waphithizela umfana lo number 4 ubani? Mrembula.
Utibs.
Walanda ibhola emuva. Mayilanda alinika uAlende aqale alichofe alifaka alibuyise kuya yaqala lapha iSundowns ukushintsha ukuthi idlale.
Yes baba.
Iqale lapha igame ukushintsha. Wabona ke igoli leli lingena uvelaphi lo mfana ethi uNtsabeleng.
America.
Ayikuyasho ukuthi ubuya kuBush. Unodlame ubuya kuBush. George Bush noma ubani okhona manje Trump afana noBush abantu bembi
Aqinile.
Yebo. Le mfana unekhanda eliqinile uhlakaniphile. Ibhola manje ngaliphethe umbone lokho ehamba ethi njengayo Mrembula bese kusuka lapho umbone engena ekhaleni efanele leli yabhola lela ufike walithatha.
Sure.
Bengithi uzoshaya kangashaya walinika indodo wangena ngapha yamnika washaya inethi ngasena lutho ukhipha wasale emile ngathi isaka indlela kamuhle ngayo lo yamfana
sale mjengesaya
cha iSundowns iyakwazi ukuthola abadlali uAlende uyicontrol igame uhlale kwenza vele lokho bese iSundowns ama defendayo abuye ngafani nama defender amanye ama club
explain
kuba ne defender njalo kuSundowns epholile
relax
yabona edlala iR&B angazi uma usukhona leza sikhathi ukuthi umuntu mayizodlalwa intombi kwakufanele ukuthi ayocela amakhasethi eR&B akazowadlala ifuna abadlali abanjalo kwiSundowns yabona mangabheka uNdamane ufana no Henry Makopo yamazi uHenry Makopo
angimazi
hawo kanti wena wawulaphi waseZimbabwe nje wangathi uyikhaladi nje uHenry Makopo uFrank Skuman abadlali abapholile udlala idefense kodwa lo muntu lona ungathi nje udlalela imidfield noma udlalela emva kwendlu kubo nezingane zakubo ebese gemini eserious edlala muhle kakhulu yamfana lo ya uNdamane kukude la akasazoyibeka khona iSundowns iStellenbosch size singena plan namhlanje yokudlala size nje sithi hayi sizohlonipha nje igame ngoba ububona yebo ibi defender nga6 ibuyi defender nga7 ibuyi defender nga8 njenge Hellenic eyayidlala i811 iHellenic kodwa wathi wena uzophika konke manje kodwa into ebalekile ukuthi ibithi imayamasiya phambili iStellenbosch uthola ukuthi uDevin Titus nalabo abanye adlala nabo uthola ukuthi uyedwa mayithi ubamba ibhola akazi ukuthi uzolinika bani egcine libuyisele emuva uyabona leyo nto leyo kufanele ayilungise uGavin Hunt kodwa ke kukhona isisho sesiZulu esithi ababulali benyathi balala ucwayimbane
isho ukuthini
the killers of a buffalo they don't grab it by the scruff of its neck they attack by surprise they wait for the perfect chance to attack.
Yes.
Steelers did that very well today because they waited and then they got, they just got that one chance and they took it.
Babulala.
Yeah, they got a penalty. Boo, goal uMabasa siyazi. Inet uyayishaya uzamela ukushaya ipenalty wayivimba ukeeper kodwa ifinishing yakhe yasiba inhle kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngitheni ababulali benyathi balala ucwayimbane.
Very patient.
Awusho lento engiqedwe uyisho.
Hayi Tamala.
No, undya.
Lizoqina.
Undya. Undya.
Sure Tamala.
Ibhola usenalo.
Usasemnandi.
Yeah, usemnandi undya udlala umdlalo omnandi kakhulu. Usalesi khona leli ibhola lika Tashrik Matthews elibe offside. Usalesi lapha ubela e18 uMatthews vele uyabonakala ukuthi uzoba i-off ngoba udelay lokumphasela. Bekufuneka ukuthi eshaye net.
Yes.
Usalesi wenzani uyalinda ufaka ibhola umuntu usey offside. Wayidlisa team.
Yes.
Tashrik Matthews
Shobabona.
is a silent weapon of Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, yes.
You need to take off your 4 eyes and look at him with your naked eyes and then take your 4 eyes back in your specs.
Yeah.
When you talk about 4 eyes, your spectacles.
Yes.
That guy, he starts attacks from the front because they can pass him the ball and then he cuts inside. He's not a wing. I've always been saying that people expect him to bring in crosses.
Yes,
He's not a wing. He plays almost like Oswina Police. They are not wingers. They are half winger. They cut inside and then they create danger from inside.
Yeah.
So that player is playing very well for me.
Yes.
Otherwise, Sundowns played their normal game. They played a good game, but it was not their day. Every dog has its day.
Yeah, va.
But if had Sales taken that chance, we'll be talking a different story.
True.
Unfortunately, I was already on my way out when Steelers scored an offside goal. So some people told me when I was interviewing them that it was a clear goal. Even Sundowns fans said so.
Yes.
But I don't say anything. I was not there.
Yes.
I love you. But I'm not sure.